Hey guys, in today's video I will be showing how I have been growing my Instagram account in the past couple days using a couple of different methods. So first off, we're going to go over the Instagram account itself. I have 7 posts on it. I started about 3 days ago and I have 240 followers. The keys to making a solid Instagram account are to have a solid bio. You want to have something that pops. Very professional, clean looking. Story covers are super important. Came in within the past year and a half on Instagram, and it makes a very big difference on all of your posts. And last but not least, your feed. You want your feed to look clean and consistent. Although I don't have that many photos, my posts have grown through each post. So the way that I did this was choosing a theme for my account, which would be visuals, graphic design type post. And so then I thought of what kind of content I wanted, and I thought that the best content for the page would be like edited pictures for, say, cartoons, because I like making this stuff and that makes a big difference. And so what I did is I then went into Photoshop and I started making different stuff. And after all this happened, I then backed it up. I started making multiple posts, that way I would have stuff to back up. And I started saving it into a folder. And once I saved it into a folder, I would then have it to post later on. So now you post the picture on Instagram and everything is up and good to go. And you may be asking yourself, well, how do I grow my account? Do I put certain comments on it? Do I put certain hashtags? Or do I tag certain people? And the answer is all 3 of these things. On all my pictures, I tag different people based off of the theme of the picture, and then I use hashtags accordingly. A good website for hashtags is Display Purposes, which you will then type in a keyword on this webpage, and it'll pull up the right hashtags for your niche. So in this case, I would type in art or graphics, and this would pull up the correct hashtags for me to comment. After you have your hashtags, you would then make a good caption for your photo. So I just did The Simpsons has always been one of my favorite TV shows, and then I use the hashtags that I got. This is a very important way to post, and you should follow this for all of your posts. It's very important, as you can see here. After that, I would post a picture, and then I would take it into marketing mode. So I use this tool right here. It's called Combin. It's free, 100% for the free version. You can pay to have the premium, but it doesn't really make a difference unless you're like trying to do a lot of numbers. So here it's laid out very easy. You can look at all your posts, look at how many comments and likes are on them. You can make them bigger and just look at your post in general. But that's not what's important. What's important are those tasks that you can do. So you have right here where you can go search. And so you would search based off of your niche. So if I was doing graphic design, I think the best way to do it is to look at a person who is like a graphic design page. And then you want to make sure that you click these buttons right here, analyze users when searching, and they must be active within the last week. And then you're going to find people. And so now when you're finding people, it'll show you who has interacted on that certain page within the past week, and if they're like an active follower, like a good follower. So then you'll find however many it pulls up. And with the premium version, you can pull up more people and like more posts and do more tasks. But with this version, that's not really required. So we're just going to click select all, and then we could go comment something. I'm not going to comment anything because I don't remember what my last comment was about, but I can go like a picture or 2 pictures by him, which is then right here. So once you click this, you're like, well, did it really just like them? And so you just go over to task right here, and it'll show you that your likes are being processed. I also have all my different tasks down here within the past day or 2. And it will show you your daily activity down at the bottom right here. I haven't followed anyone on the app within the past day, but I have commented on 55 posts and liked 55 posts. And it'll show you when you did it and how long until you can have more. See, it's already processing comments. So you do this after every post or just every day. Make sure that you're utilizing it to your advantage. And after that, all there really is to do is networking. So say just messaging people and whatever. This is a very important part of it, the process, because meeting new people will help you grow. doing shout out for shout out will help you grow. And if you intervene all these different methods, you can grow pretty fast. I did 240 followers in 2 or 3 days, 100% free. So this is an organic way to get followers, and this is going to be consistent. I may lose like 10 followers over like 12 to 24 hours, but that's just because it's people temporarily following me. This doesn't really bother me because I know that my base probably right now for solid followers is around 200, and I'm fine with that. And the trick after that is to just be consistent and to post a lot and to keep your feed looking nice. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and have a great day.